In this session, I'm going to discuss about the fundamentals of marketing management, introductory to as marketing management, meaning, definition, and we shall also discuss about what all is being covered in the scope of marketing management. The term market originates from the Latin word marketus, which means a place where business is conducted. Market is a center around which marketing revolves. A market in general may be described as a place where goods and services are offered for sale. Buyers and sellers meet, and the title or ownership of goods is transferred. In olden days, buying and selling of goods was done by coming together in a periodical market or a weekly market. And the people used to gather on specific date in a specific sale. Sellers put their commodities in these periodical markets for sale and buyers gather to purchase these commodities according to their needs. So the word market originates from the Latin word. Let's understand what is marketing was all about. In marketing, the term market refers to group of consumers or organization which is interested in the product and has a resource to sell them. So marketing is an organizational function and a set of processes are involved for creating, communicating and delivering value to its customers. And not only creating value but retaining them. You would have heard about the concept on customer relationship management. And it is a long way process. You don't want a customer to buy your product for once. You want them to buy whenever the need arises, the same brand. So, therefore, marketing is all the efforts put by the company in order to retain your customer and attract new customers. Marketing is about identifying and meeting every human and society needs. In a very short way to understand the concept, we have a good definition which says marketing is all about meeting the needs of the customer profitably. And the definition of marketing is given by Dr. Philip Kotler and American Marketing Association. Let's discuss these popular definitions. According to American Marketing Association, marketing consists of the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producers or suppliers to its consumers or end users. The definition given by Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler is considered as father of marketing management. He says marketing is a societal process whereby individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. So, therefore, marketing involves a series of activities undertaken by a manufacturer or a producer to make sure the product reaches to its customers and the customers are retained. Let's move on to know what is marketing management. The art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping them and growing them. Customers through how do we grow with customers? It's through creating, delivering value, and communicating the superior values to the customers. So, here we apply all the managerial principles and practices in order to make sure your market and the marketing demands are met and keeping your customer for its value. Hence, marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for its customers, clients, partners, and society at large. So, marketing deals with customers, creating customer value, and satisfying your customers. Now, you know to know what all is being marketed. Marketers market 10 main type of entities: goods, services, events, experiences, persons, places, properties, organizations, information, and ideas. Let's discuss each in detail. Can goods be marketed? Yes. Physical goods constitute the bulk of most countries' production and marketing efforts. Each year, United States companies market billions of fresh, canned, bagged, and frozen food products, and millions of cars and refrigerators, televisions, machines, and other mainstays of a modern economy. So, goods can be definitely marketed, and once you go to any supermarket or retail store, you are attracted by the product display, product packaging, and the message, and beyond that, the price. So, goods can be definitely marketed. Can we do marketing for services? Definitely yes. You'd have heard about the services called Urban Club. They give, it's an app you have to download and check on the app. There are so many services which you can sit at home and avail, right from your bike service to your healthcare, physiotherapy, lawn service, maintenance of your house, painting, any kind of services you can get it on this app. So, yes, as economies advance, a growing proportion of their activities focus on production of services. The United States economy today produces 70 to 30 services to goods mix. Services include the work of airlines, hotels, car rental. You are very popularly using the Ola app and other apps in the market, such as Uber services and so on. So, therefore, even healthcare, fitness, beauticians, saloon, maintenance and repair, banking, lawyers, consultation of engineers, doctors, software programmers, and management consultants. All are in the category of services. Today, if you know these services, it's because of the marketing effort put by these companies. And today, you can sit at home and order your food, and it is a service provider who carries the food from the restaurant to your doorstep. It is a service. So, goods and services can be marketed. Can events be marketed? See, even in spite of this COVID, you're sitting at home and watching cricket series matches. How was it possible? Because of the companies who host it, organize it, and the broadcasting media which brings it to you on a mobile phone or to TV channels. So marketers promote time-based events such as major trade shows, artist performance, concerts, anniversaries, birthdays, parties, global sporting events, Olympics, World Cup, IPL, all these events are promoted and you buy tickets and watch them. So, events can be promoted. Next, can we promote experiences? Definitely, when you go to an amusement park or when you go to any of the shows, you're going to not bring anything home except the experience. By regulating orchestrating several services and goods, a firm can create stage and market experiences. You would have heard about Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, which allows a customer to visit a fairy kingdom, a pirate ship, or you can have an experiences through several campaign or through sessions which are simulated. So it is what you're selling is the experiences, and hope this session would have helped you in learning the basics and fundamentals of what is marketing, market, marketing management, and what all can be marketed. That is goods, services, and experiences. Thank you.